Thursday the 12th. Hopefully no one comes in the elevator, but we're going to Honduras today. Someone's coming in. We've arrived in Honduras. Outfit check, H&M again, Aritzia romper. But we're in Honduras. I'm about to get off by myself because Alex, Nick, and Jen are still sleeping, and I'm going on an excursion, and they are not joining me because there was one spot left and I took it. So I'm gonna go port off right now, and then I will update you then. We've arrived for solo travel. These cute magnets. This one's for my mom. I'm just kind of wandering around and hoping that I don't get lost, but this place is fucking beautiful.
Shake it, baby, come on.
Just met a guy, he tried to sell me an excursion and called me cute, and I was not liking that, but he told me I could walk around here. So that's exactly what I'm doing. It's so much prettier here, what the fuck? And this is Honduras. What are you? I don't really know if it's safe to be walking around, but I am. We're just here in Honduras. This is Mary's craft. Can I put you in the video? Yeah. This is Mary. Come see her stuff. It's in Honduras, Roatan Bay Island. You want to be in it? Say hi. Hello. What's your name again?
Edward.
This is Edward. We're in Honduras. Nice to meet you. Okay, have a good day. That was the cutest thing ever. I met like so many local people, but I decided to come back because I don't think it's safe for me to be walking out there alone. The lady said it should be fine as long as my camera wasn't out, but like, I don't know. I don't want to take the chances, so I came back since my excursion's soon anyways. I'm looking for the fucking excursion meetup like 7 minutes before I'm supposed to leave. That's such a me thing to do. There's fish in the water. The bus.
Okay. Folks, now it is a possibility we might not, but I see we have an island on the ferry boat, but we also have an international airport here.
That polish, tarnish, shellac, no painting. So remember, when you go inside the institute and you see some of these colors on some of the shell pieces that you're going to see inside there, no one painted them on there. It all came out of the size and the shape of the shell piece and the artist or artisan's imagination to be able to hold that piece untouched.
Currently in the Cameo stone castle. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. The little turtles. These are all shells that have been like carved and created, and like they make art with the shells. How freaking cool.
have all these squatty potties, so everybody lines up for the one.
Show the picture.
And you can't
Yeah.
flush it. They have a trough next to it.
We're at the port. In the submarine. Sorry, I'm just documenting this.
This little dressy stuff. That's just part of the coral. Isn't it? There's all kinds of colors. And those are
I think we have the blue tanks. What we don't have Mimo, because Mimo is from the South Pacific.
Can you see over here, Mom? Mom, I can see it. Look at all these. It's black.
Right. Piranhas lives in freshwater.
Right, there's number 6 to the blue.
I see a queen angelfish, and the more trash is in the ocean, the water temperature gonna rise more on these islands. So we're working hard on trash. In the supermarket, hurricane's gonna begin at category 6 and category 7. That's what they're claiming with the global warming. So we need to keep water temperature.
There's an indoor like this. So we'll make room.
Submarine. That was pretty cool. Totally forgot to fill my water bottle. So I got water. It was $1. Not bad. In Canada, this would be like a $4 water bottle. We're now in the West End Village. We're just stopping to get some drinks. Just got my drink. This right here is all turtle grass, so I guess there's supposed to be a lot of turtles here, but pollution, so save the turtles. Currently walking the streets. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Currently in the West End Village. I don't know where I'm going. Just kind of walking around. There's a wine bottle, Christmas tree. Decided to change and come in the water. This is fucking beautiful. These are one of the clearest waters I've ever seen. Holy shit. It's probably mad blurry. Like what? I'm really hoping I don't drop this because I didn't put the lanyard on. I really do be living out the life of my dreams right now. I'm all alone in Honduras, just floating in the beach, in the ocean water. What a dream. I can't even hear myself, it sounds all... I'm floating! Okay, that was a wrap. I don't know how I managed to change and get in the water still and take a few videos, but I did it.
Because the kids was homeschooling for 2 years. So you had to have internet and you had to have a computer to do the work.
I didn't know whether you went to libraries. You have
That's a wrap. We're back. I am back from Honduras. That was the most beautiful day ever. And like my whole perspective on life has just changed. Everything's changed. Like, bro, I'm so grateful. Like, we are so privileged. It's not even funny. Just did a quick outfit change just because I'm gonna go to the pool. So this is kind of a cover up, and then I left the white bikini on that I was wearing. I love this dress because it's like open in the back, but it's see-through. So we're just gonna use her as a cover up. Let's go find Alex and Nick. I found Alex's vlog, by the way. We're about to leave Honduras. Got some dinner at the buffet. I have absolutely zero energy, so this vlog is probably gonna end very, very soon. I'm just dead. Just finished dinner, now I'm going back to the room. I'm exhausted. Hello vlog, it is 7:27 p.m. but it's technically 8:27 because we're changing time zones for when we go to Cozumel. I'm going to sleep, by the way. I'm wearing like this fancy ass outfit because I didn't think to bring a sweater, but I'm going to bed because I'm exhausted and I don't think I could stay up any longer without like fainting or passing out, to be honest. So I'm going to sleep. Good night. That's a wrap for today. Okay, so I decided I'm going to show you how I get up my bed. This is where Nick's sleeping. Alex is sleeping here. Her cousin Jen is sleeping there. This is how I get into bed every night. What up?